G'day everyone! Today I'll be walking you through an aerator replacement on this Classic Basin Mixer. Let's get started. First, we want to place a towel over the basin just so we don't drop the aerator down the drain. Now, to remove the aerator, simply rotate it anti-clockwise and it will unscrew like normal. Then the aerator will just come straight out of its housing like so. Now here is your sifter and flow controller. You want to make sure that there's no dirt or debris stuck in the aerator as that will build pressure in the cartridge. To clean it, just rinse it this way up. Now with screw threads up on the housing, just place the aerator back in like so. Then just screw it back in like normal. Once it's tight, you're all done. Thanks for watching everyone.